Hey guys, okay, so real quick, let's just do a little tutorial on Flipgrid. Flipgrid is really user-friendly. It does take you through this each step at a time. What you see on your screen right now is just the link to the Flipgrid. So generally for you, it would be linked under your Google Classroom, but once you have that link, you're simply gonna click on it and it should self-populate. Now for me, I am gonna have to plug it in to that page. Oh gracious, I'm sorry guys. Here we go. It's thinking. There we go. All right, so we're on that page. Let me scoot my little guy over a little bit. And you see the assignment. So whatever assignment it is, you see my picture over here. Okay, so you could watch it that way. Okay, please make sure you watch it first. Generally, if you're watching it, I've modeled what I'm asking you to do. Okay, on this main screen, please note you do see the actual assignment itself. So what I am asking of you, what I want you to include in your short video. Now this is probably should be duplicated on Google Classroom, but it's just multiple ways for you to see it and then how it's modeled through my video. Now please understand, you will not be able to see each other's video unless it's specifically stated in the assignment. So this video here, it actually notes that other students will not be able to see your video. Sometimes it's good for collaboration, sometimes it's not, because I want you to actually tell me if there's something I need to know. Okay, please understand, if you don't want yourself videoed, you don't have to actually video yourself. You can video the keyboard or the ceiling or put an emoji over your face, but especially for like this intro one, which is the example I'm showing you, I would really like to get to put a face with a name, so I kind of know who I'm talking to, just so that if I see you in town, I recognize you, because you will actually now see me. But please understand, this is very user-friendly. We're going to click record a response, because you are going to be responding to the assignment given. Let's make sure this is going to see. It probably is going to populate a box up here that asks you to allow or block. You are going to have to allow your camera, but that shouldn't be a problem. It shouldn't take long. If there is a problem with it, there's going to be a black box that's going to pop up, and it's going to try to give you some workarounds to get the camera working. Okay. Sorry, I started recording. If you look down here at this effects, you can do different filters to change the color. I personally like this little guy. You could also do, you can draw on it, text, an emoji, you can make a frame, whatever you would need. So if I did an emoji, here we go. So now I can talk, but you don't actually see me. Okay, and again, I hope at least, especially for this one, I think sometimes the emoji will be good for you to tell me how you're feeling. So that's definitely going to be part of our check-in and such. But those are some really great options. You do have some options down here to load a clip, record screen, but of course at this moment you don't need that. And then you can record. So once you click that, it counts down, 1, 2, 3, and now you're recording. Now guys, please understand, once you're done, you just click next. You can review it. It's talking. Okay, so it lets you clip. You can add more video if you realized, oh, well, I didn't actually answer what she asked or whatnot. Okay, so we're gonna click next. It does give you a chance to take a selfie, which is gonna be like your thumbnail once the video is linked, which is thank goodness, because I feel like half the time my mouth is open because I'm in the middle of talking, so that's a little discerning for me. So like right there, it's awful. So we'll take a picture, and then one more time next, maybe. Remember, if you don't like your selfie, just click the redo button. It uploads it all. There you go. Please make sure that your name, please, full first name, full last name. Okay? If you go by a nickname, that's fine, as long as it's like a name that like your parents would call you, so to speak. Okay? And then there's an optional title. So let's say Kayla Shoemake. And then submit. Done. So now it's done. Now it's going to be hidden unless if otherwise said so. And then even if it is something that we're collaborating together and you know that people are going to see your video, it will actually stay hidden until I view it and accept it to be shown. Okay. But if you have any questions, please, 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 please email me. Okay, guys? Thank you so much.